Yo, what's up guys? This is Mark going live. Alright, see you. Personal Development 101. How to achieve your dreams. Alright, so sa ilang years ko nag-research sa personal development na yan, sa personal/self-development world. So, para ma-achieve yung dream mo, right? Number 1, timeline. Alright. Kumari, vlogging. Yung tinatanong ko, yung mga successful vloggers throughout the years. Yung mga 1 million na ngayon or 500,000 yata. Nagtanong rin ako, may isa nakilala ko, yung nagagas yata siya. Anyways, tinanong ko kung ilang years bago niya nakuha yung million na subscribers na yun. Ang sabi niya is, it takes a lot of hard work, number 1. Number 2, patience. Number 3, dedication. Alright, tatlo yan. For you to succeed. I mean, may nakita rin ako ibang vloggers na ilang naka-1,000 na videos, tapos 20,000 ng subscribers. Pero tingin ko ano rin siya, parang tawag doon yun parang hindi siya guarantee. Kung post na naka 1,000 video ka ng pinost mo, tapos 30,000 pa rin subscriber mo, parang ano rin siya, parang luck rin, may luck involved. So what it matters lang is nag-push ka, whatever happens, as what life is all about, whatever career na meron ka or negosyo, whatever, kailangan mo yun. How long ka willing to give your time for that dream, for you to be able to achieve it. So ako like sa dating community, I mean, mga iba nag-retire na, tumigil na kasi may career sila. Ako nagbigay ako ng oras kasi gusto ko gumaling. As in, kambing level. Ganun talaga. Willing ako to give my time. I sacrifice a lot for this. Kasi siguro yung parang, dati kasi yung bata ako, parang siguro pag tinanong may mga sa past ko, kahit yung kindergarten ko, naalala ko, yung sa high school ako, parang lagi yata ako like dinadown ng mga tao, like yung mga kaklase ko, parang ay hanggang dito ka lang, Mark, itong babae hanggang dito ka lang. Tapos minsan nga sa high school yata yung ginoka ko, parang oy Mark, bagay sa'yo makatulong o mga ganun. I mean, for me, like discretion lang, for me lahat ng babae maganda. Kahit anong weight mo, kahit 500 pounds na babae maganda for me. It all goes down to if attracted ako enough to date them and to have a romantic relationship with them. Yun lang talaga yun. So, ayun, doon ako yung obsession ko to be the best in this dating world. Doon ako nag-push talaga sa limits ko. Kahit anong career naman, like athletes, makita mo naman yun athletes, mga boksingero, mga basketball players, ganun naman Hindi guarantee, nagagaling ka talaga. Depende sa mindset mo, sa training mo, sino ba yung coaches mo, di ba? Lagi ganun yun. It all goes down to that one. And then mindset. Ang 5, importante yan. Yun ang nagbubuhay sa perspective mo. Kung sino gusto mo who do you want to become. It's all about on that one. Nasa sayo na yan. Yun lang talaga siya. Alright. This is MES from the MES Development. Your personal, yun lang muna guys your personal self-development champion at your service. Please like and subscribe my page, groups, GC to follow. And alright, and coaching programs will follow rin. And alright, this is it. Bye for now guys. I'll see you guys.